Hello friends, today we are going to unbox Praveen Khatod sir SCMPE books. Let's start. There are total 5 books, 2 practical books, 1 case study book and 2 theory books. In volume 1, 2 chapters are covered. First, strategic analysis of operating income, and second, decision making. And all practical questions are covered, like study material questions, RTP, MTP, past paper. In volume 2, 3 chapters are covered: pricing decision, DTP and standard costing. Font size is also very good. And then volume 3, theory book. There are 3 chapters covered: cost management techniques, modern business environment and lean system innovation. And this book is colorful book. And all type of questions covered: study made questions, case study. And this is volume 4. It is also a theory book, and there are 4 chapters covered in this book, and it is also a colorful book. And this is 5th volume, case study digest. There are many case studies covered. All ICI case studies are covered in this book for all theory and practical chapters. That's all about the books. Thank you guys.